Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. Today our topic is Linux most useful commands for beginners. Let's open the terminal and let's start. So our first command is going to be pwd, which stands for print working directory. When you are navigating through directories in Linux, this command show you exactly where you are in the file system. I will give you later some examples when we use other commands. Next command is ls. If you want to see what files and directories are inside your current folder, just type ls and hit enter. And as you see, we have a list of all files and directories inside this home Kali folder. ls has more options. For example, if you want to see more details like the permissions or file size, use -l, which is used for long listing. Let's try to see the result of this option. And as you see here, we have the permission, we have the name of the user and the group, and we have more options like date and time. The third command is cd, which stands for change directory. And I think this is, like ls, one of the most important commands because you will use it a lot in navigating and moving between directories and folders. The blue files are folders and the white one are files. So if you want to navigate to downloads, we need just to type cd and then downloads and hit enter. So I made a mistake because download is reading with capital letter. So let's correct it. And now we are inside downloads. And to go back, we need to press on cd again and use two dots. And then we are back. And now to see where we are, for example, let's go back to our first command, print working directory. And now we are back to home Kali. And if we list the files again, now we have a list of all the files. And this is how you use these commands. Second command is mkdir or mkdir, which stands for making a directory. And let's try to use it. And let's make a test folder. And if we do a list again, you see now we have a blue name, which means a folder with test, the one that we just created. Now let's move to creating files. We use touch to create files. We have a test file. Let's create something else. Test 2.txt. I forgot to type 2, but let us list again the files to see if we successfully created a file. And as you see, we have it here. So we created a new file with touch. Now let's move to another command, remove files or directories, and we use rm to remove files or directories. So let's remove the test that we just created. I'm going to use tab to complete the name. Let's list again, see if the file is removed. Now we remove the file. As you see on the top, test is there, but now it's not there. Now let's remove a directory using rm. We need an option here, an extra parameter, which is r, and then test. So let's list again to see if we removed it. Yeah, now it's gone. So test was here. Now it's deleted. And the last command is man, which is stands for the manual. So if you want to know more information about a command, you can just use man with the command itself, and it's gonna show you how to use it, some examples, and what kind of parameters that command accept. And as you see here, almost all do not list implied. So it's a good explanation. And to quit it, you need just to press on Q. Now we are back to the terminal. So these are really the most useful commands that you are going to use every day in the terminal. In navigating, creating files, removing files and directories, There are really a lot more to learn, but this is a good start if you want to learn how to use the terminal effectively. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.